Hi, I'm John Fangio. I'm with the Homen Group Realty, and we sell basically in the whole west coast of Florida, Pinellas, Pasco, Hernando, and Citrus counties. What has IMAPP provided me? Well, how about saving probably tens of thousands of dollars? I'm going to pay for other lead sources at my fingertips. It's included in my MLS, and not also just savings, but actually helping me earn, the blessed figure I'm earning today. So I like the MLS search and the tax search options, especially for the mailing lists that you can get for folks. So you get the message out right away to exactly where exactly you want to get it to. IMAPP for me has provided me the most extensive database and lead base that you can get at your fingertips. If you're not using IMAPP, you're missing out on literally thousands of leads exactly where you want them, who you want to reach within seconds. It is hands down the best. And once you use it, you'll know I'm right.